Hi everyone, I have a corn dog recipe with a twist. The twist is that I used carrot. The ingredients are hot dog, milk, baking powder, eggs, flour, carrot, this is optional, vanilla essence, also optional, pepper to taste, corn flour, and melted butter. The next process is to make the paste. You can do this without a blender, but for this video, I'll be using a blender. As you can see, I've added my milk, baking powder, corn flour, pepper, vanilla essence, eggs, and melted butter, and I will blend it into a thick paste. The benefit of using pepper, it gives the batter a burst of flavor. This is a simple and quick recipe, also very delicious. Next, let's prepare the hot dogs. This was done by slightly grilling it in a pan to get rid of the excess water, and then voila, our hot dogs is ready to be put in the batter. Next, we put the hot dog in the batter and then we fry it in oil. I used olive oil. It takes about few minutes for each side to get cooked. I would say about 3 to 5 minutes on each side to get brown, and then voila, your corn dog is ready to be served. And you can serve this with ketchup, sweet and sour sauce, chili sauce, any sauce of your choice. Anyway, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.